way, everything's worked out all wrong. I want to know if...
Hi!
Wonder where Waspy is. Never had so many spiders in there.
It's a bit webby in here.
Take that out. That's the other side.
Oh, here. Here is an open connection.
Yep. He goes like that, and he goes like that.
That hose could have been half the size.
Ah, this moves. It goes back, it slides over.
No.
No, this bit here, it wiggles on that.
Oh.
That's why it's long, because it goes back there, same as that one.
Ah.
That one goes back as well.
Yeah.
Alright. One done.
Job 2 is going to be a bigger one.
He goes on there like that. Then this one, which is a pain in the arse, which goes down there and then goes on there like that.
We just need to connect all the hydraulics, because when we took the big ram out here, this was like up here, and it just slided down now. So we're going to connect up this side of the ram, then start the machine up, lift it up with this one, and then we should get enough space there to put the ram in. But Richard first needs to connect up the small ram on the other side. Spiders?
Yeah. Which way does that go? Up the top. Was it a top on it? Yeah, so that goes in there.
Oh.
Do you want to hold them two like for a minute? While I, no, there he's there. Right, so that comes in here. Right, that goes on the other side, like that. It's stuck.
Back where?
There it goes. It's gone. Goes on there. Nippy nippy.
Smooth sailing?
Yeah. Going back together better than it come apart.
We still didn't get the other side apart, actually.
I think they should have engineers and fitters design these fittings, not some idiot on a bloody computer. You've got limited access and limited visibility. The other side's easier because you can see the ram. Doesn't always matter.
You said you had a short attention spanner?
I like your pumping action. I'm used to this action.
Yeah.
I still look back at that video and laugh. You in there. Oh, this motion I am used to.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just put the ram in there.
Just ram it in there.
Yeah. Oh, what a bummer. Don't ever get old and get these. Look at that, I just bashed my arm on that door.
Top.
Yeah. So, which do you want?
I'm the tallest, so I'll take the top.
I'll have a bit that's...
Got it?
Mm-hmm. Well, if you want to put yours on in there, just put it in there for any old how. For now, there you go. That's it.
Look, that's not gonna fit. Because this one is much wider. Look, is it?
Chapstick. Need the
Hey, what is that? Not moving.
but that won't go in.
Not voluntarily.
See that?
Oh, now that. Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
To get this in, they beat the crap out of this to get that in. That is just a single one as well, not like a double. I wonder, do you want the top bit to go halfway through? Oh, man's right way over there.
Nothing de nada.
Still not enough.
So can we not get the thing back out and like take care of
Grind
this?
all that off. Yeah,
Yeah.
there's a lot to grind off there, isn't there? Let's have a bit tap out. Ow. Nasty, hell, there we go.
Mandy, Richard is not really playing it safe. He's hurt already like 3 times.
Now, in theory, they should. It's gone stiff again on that spot. Job done.
Job done.
Job done. This one goes on there. This goes in there. Turn that round first, just in case oil does get, well, oil will get in there. Right, so as soon as they get up high enough, I'll whack that in there in the hole.
Oh, we're going straight in the hole?
Yeah, with that, and then I might just have to lift it up a little bit more and every bowl I'll get dug gun now. I may not have water, that doesn't matter. I may start it up.
Full?
It's full.
Oh yeah. Very dirty already.
Yeah,
What kind of stuff in there?
I've got a new filter.
You want power?
Okay, who's got the key? There's the key. That's it. Right.
What? sounded like she was gonna fire right up.
Yeah. That's flat out.
Stupid question, do we have fuel?
Yeah, we put enough in it to get down here.
Yeah?
I know we didn't put a lot in it, but there should be enough in it to fire up.
Should I try and something?
Yeah, the throttle should be on flat out, I think.
Oh, you put it here?
Yeah. What's on that wheel? On-road power. Ready?
With throttle, without?
With throttle. Right.
Bleeding to death.
Find out the way, just in case I haven't got ready.
But I need to catch it. No, it's about good. Maybe a little back, but now it goes already a little back. Yeah, it's great. Yeah.
Right now, I think it's stuck.
I see nothing there.
No, I think it's stuck on the other end now. It needs a big whack. Is it stuck on there?
Exactly on the ridge. On
Yeah,
the...
where the damage is. Right.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
I wouldn't stand there.
No, I just wanted to see if you were still in front of
my
me.
head is a bit loose.
Ooh.
You might end up wearing it. I think that's in line. We go nice and dirty for it. Yep. We've done it.
This big one is very quick now, yeah.
And how many hours did we spend on getting that out? 3?
At least 3.
At least 3. A bit of grinding and look at that, straight in.
Like new, Richard.
Yes. What?